Does that make sense for you to take the time to create 100 or 200, 300 different designs and scaling out into different niches by switching a single word? Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, we're gonna talk about quality versus quantity. Hey, check out the sunset though real fast. See that? Let's see. Let's get a better look at that. Oh, let's get going. It's about to happen pretty soon. Oh, awesome, pretty cool, huh? Just want to share that with you guys. But let's get into the content and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Now, as you guys are starting to do research on these platforms, you're gonna see a lot of designs that are scaled out, right? It's no hidden secret or nothing like that. You're gonna see text-based designs, and then you're gonna see some illustrations with text that are scaled out. And it's nothing new, and I'm gonna show you a few examples in this video, but it comes down to like, okay, is it worth me scaling out a certain design and branching them off into all different niches? Because literally you can take one design and you can literally scale it across 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000 different niches, right? Now, you know, there's certain platforms that are understanding that a lot of people are starting to do this. And how is the platform supposed to prevent that from spamming the listings on a platform, the catalog, right? Some platforms they may throttle you, right? And some people believe that some of these platforms are throttling certain designs because they know that they're scaling out and they're spamming their platform, and that they don't like that, right? And it's understandable. Now, does it make sense to do this with certain type of platforms like eBay or Etsy, where they're charging you fees, okay? They're charging you listing fees as you're scaling out these designs, right? And it makes sense for them to do that if they're gonna promote your product on their platform, right? Because if you come in there and list over 1,000 designs and they're all scaled out by someone just switching a certain keyword on the phrase, it does make sense for them to do that, because then it'll make the actual seller understand like, okay, they are trying to eliminate the people trying to spam the platform, and they rather you create a good quality design, right? Now with Merch by Amazon, it creates a tier system on their platform, right? If you guys are unaware of that, Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand platform, but creating like tier systems in place like that will help prevent people from spamming the platform. Some platforms even put limitations on how many products you can upload or how many designs you can upload in a single day, right? Now, does it make sense for you as an individual to create a design and then you know that you have a top-selling design that you can scale out in different niches? Does that make sense for you to take the time to create 100 or 200, 300 different designs, right? And scaling out into different niches by switching a single word? Does that make sense for you to do it? Or does it make sense for you to create a design for a niche that you know that you're doing really well on and literally create 10 or 20 different designs that are the best designs in that niche, right? Now, I'm leaving this very open because I believe it's just all about testing and learning as you grow, right, on these platforms and seeing what's working and what's not working. At the end of the day, I believe it comes to you as an individual to see what works for you and what's worth. Is it a waste of time to scale out a single design and make 100, 300 different variations of it? Or does it make sense for you to make 10 or 20 good quality designs and keep investing into that niche and focus on one niche and be the best in that niche? It depends. There's no yes or no correct way of doing this, I believe. And at the end of the day, it's all about testing. But if it makes sense for you, do it.